In this lecture, we are going to work on getting all the user information. For that, we are just going to open usercontroller.js. Here, I will be writing comment admin getting user information. Below this, I will be creating function. I will give the function name as get users list. And this entire thing I will be wrapping inside handle async. Here I will pass request, response and next. And I'm just going to open this function. Now I have to get all the information of the user. So here I will be creating one variable. I will give the variable name as users, await, and on this user model, I will just apply this find method. Using this find method, we are just fetching every document present inside our user collection. Below this, I will be sending response.status. Status code will be 200. JSON method, I will be passing success to be true. Then complete users information I'm just going to pass. Now copy this, open user routes.js. And here below this, let me just copy. I will remove this entire thing. Instead, I will be passing admin/users. Now we are getting all the information. We will be using get request. We have to verify whether user is logged in or not. And then I will be passing this function. Remove last letter, hit enter. Function will be imported. And also we have to check whether user is admin or not. So here I will write role based access. Function will be imported and then I will be passing admin. If the role is admin, only then we can access this route. Now I will save, come to Postman, copy this, click on plus. Here I will be pasting, it is get request, and after admin, we will be passing users. Now what user we have logged in? That user is already admin. If I click on send successfully, I will be having all the information of the users. And in total, I am only having 2 users. So 2 data will be displayed. And here this user is logged in and user is nothing but admin. So that is the reason we are able to access this route. Now I will click on save. Inside this admin, here I will be writing get admin all users and click on save.